Hi, I'm Coach Emma-Zaya, and today I'm going to be showing you what comes in our Dual, which is Aesthetic and Nails Kit at BGMU. First, we're going to talk about what you receive from Circadia. You receive your student kit bag, your Circadia Tech Manual, 5 RX pads, 2 headbands, 10 portion cups, 4 brushes, 2 mini whisks, 2 measuring scoops, and 4 Circadia towels. You'll receive a circadian time balancing mask, a red tea mask, caviar lime and passion fruit enzyme mask, snow algae and spirulina cooling mask, green tea mask, marshmallow whip hydrating mask. You'll also receive 2 aquaporn hydrating creams. You'll receive a cleansing gel with salicylic acid, a cleansing gel with mandelic acid, a micro exfoliating honey cleanser, light day sunscreen, post pill balm, and 2 liquid replacing cleansing gels. Also 2 almond milk cleansers and a vitamin Vel facial cleansing oil. You also have white willow and Jupiter clearing facial mist, aloe and candula calming mist, blueberry and white tea hydrating mist, licorice and bearberry brightening facial mist. You will also receive a cocoa mask activator, a raspberry mask activator, and then the raspberry mask and then the cocoa mask. These are a set. You will also receive a spot stop, a moisture on demand, a serum 71, Hydrolox facial oil, 2 emergency eye lift serum, and then your vitamin C reversal facial serum. You will also receive 4x4 aesthetic wipes, wooden sticks for waxing, pre-cut facial gauze, a green mixing bowl, a silver bowl, a body brush, a small pump bottle, cotton rounds, a mannequin head, a high frequency machine, a mirror, face sponges, a blackhead extractor, a jade roller, a wax pot that comes with wax, and the nail kit at BGMU. You will receive a no cleanse top coat, a number 6 gel brush, and then an LED clear builder nail gel, and then an LED clear nail gel. You will also receive your TDLR hand. This is the hand that you take when you go to your practical. You will receive a practice hand that can clamp onto the table with extra tips. You will receive 2 empty spray bottles, a sterilization tray, an e-foul, gelish polygel set, a structure clear. You'll also receive the dip concept 2, 3, and 4 along with a dip powder. You will also receive an odorless nail sculpting liquid. In this Ziploc bag, you have 20 mani packs, 10 black foot files, 5 sterilization sheets, a pack of fast foils, a dust brush, some swatches, toe separators. You will also receive a cleanup brush and an 11 gold art brushes. And last but not least, in the Ziploc bag, you will receive your straight clippers. Next, you receive a gelish bag. When you open the bag, your foot file pack should fall right out. You have 100 of Professional Perfecto nail tips. You have your gelish foundation, gelish top it off, and gelish can we dance. You'll also receive a manicure bowl, brush cleaner, nail polish remover, a manicure brush, nail surface cleanse, quick dry nail spray, your number 7 student oval brush, and then unscented harmony lotion. You'll receive 20 Perfecto nail white nail tips, toenail nippers curved, lint-free wipes, nail adhesive secure resin, wrap material, odorless nail liquid, a glass dapping dish, has a lid, and it says gelish. A gelish prohesion master kit, Morgan Taylor React base coat, a top coat, Arctic Freeze, Lip Service, Sweet Surrender, Pretty Woman, 180-400 foul buffer, a Harmony Eco Pusher, cuticle nippers, and a tip clip. Last but not least, a Harmony pusher with tabs. You will also receive drill bits and your smock, which is your uniform. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.